Over 30 years ago, I began working with individual investors. It seemed to me like the Wild West, not unlike that movie, Wolf of Wall Street.
Is this stuff regulated, or are you guys, what are you doing here?
Clients were being sold stocks based upon very little research, often based upon commission rates or new issue commission. This eventually led me back to my institutional roots, where we began employing a very sophisticated Nobel Prize winning mathematical process used by virtually all significant investment institutional investors, which is based upon modern portfolio theory.